Hello, in this session we will cover how to manage employees in your ERPNext account. To add new employee, type new employee in the awesome bar. This is the new form for adding new employee. Select salutation, enter person's name. If you have multiple company, then select the company to which this employee belongs. Enter joining date, enter date of birth. This is needed because it will be used for the calculation of retirement date. You can select gender. Now if you have already added this employee as a user in your ERPNext account, then you can select the user ID from here. Based on the user ID selected for this employee, user permission will be created in the backend, and this employee will be able to see limited data in the HR module. So let's save this employee for now. On saving an employee, unique employee ID has been generated. Now you can also add an employee image here. Let's say this is the image. You can define employee type. He is on probation initially. Holiday list is very important for the employee. Based on the holiday list selected, leave days calculation will be done when this employee applies for a leave. You can also select these values. You can define branch for this employee, department, designation, and save it. And there are many other fields where you can track personal details of an employee, work history, and exit related details. So now you can see that employee ID is generated based on naming series we selected initially. But if you want to have employee ID generated based on employee number, say we add this employee number, which is the internal number assigned to each employee. And if you want employee ID to be generated based on this number, how do we do that? So for that you should go to HR setting, and in the HR setting select employee records to be created by employee number and save. So after this, when you add a new employee, employee number field will be mandatory, and based on the value entered in the employee number field, employee ID will be generated. So once you have an employee, there are many transactions which can be created, like you can track attendance for this employee, you can create salary structure based on which salary slip will be generated for this employee, you can allocate leaves to this employee can utilize that same leaves and create a leave application, expense claim can be made by employee, and appraisal can also be processed. Hope you found this session useful. For more details and free sign up, please check erpnext.com. Thank you.